Good morning, students. How are you? Hopefully, you are fine. In previous two lectures, we discussed already the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes, physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Today, I will discuss the chemical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. First, we take the nucleophilic substitution reaction in haloalkanes. The nucleophilic substitution reaction is reaction in which the one nucleophile of haloalkane, that is X negative, is replaced or substituted by another nucleophile is called nucleophilic substitution. For example, Rx plus Nu 1 negative means nucleophile, the X is substituted by Nu, so this is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. The reagent, first we take NaOH or KOH in aqueous condition. The nucleophile of this reagent is OH negative, so X is substituted by OH negative, we get ROH, this is alcohol product. Second one is H2O, the nucleophile of this molecule is again OH negative, so we get alcohol product. Third one is NaOR, the nucleophile of this molecule is OR negative, so we get ROR, this is ether molecule. Fourth one is NaI, the nucleophile of this molecule is I negative, so X negative is substituted by I negative, we get iodoalkane or alkyl iodide. NH3, the nucleophile of NH3 is NH2 1 negative, so we get RNH2, this is primary amine. RNH2 reagent, the nucleophile of this molecule is RNH, so we get the secondary amine which is denoted by RNH R dash. Third, next number, the coming reagent is RR-NH, the nucleophile of this molecule RR-N, so we get tertiary amine which is represented as RNR-R2-. Next one is KCN, the nucleophile of this molecule is CN1 negative, so we get RCN, this is nitrile compound or cyanide compound in common name. AgCN, the nucleophile of this molecule is NC or CN1 negative, CN, so we get RNC, this is isocyanide or isonitrile. Next one is KNO2, the nucleophile of this molecule is ONO, so we get RONO, this is alkyl nitrite. AgNO2, the nucleophile of this molecule is NO2, so we get RNO2, this is called nitroalkane. Next one is RCOOAg, the nucleophile of this molecule is RCOO1 negative, so we get RCOR, this is ester product. LiAlH4, the nucleophile of this molecule is H1 negative, so we get RH, this is hydrocarbon or alkane. Next one is Rm, the nucleophile of this molecule is R negative, so we get RR dash, this is alkane. The nucleophile which contain more than one nucleophilic center like CN, in CN, the one nucleophilic center is C negative and second one is nitrogen. So, this nucleophile attached by either carbon or nitrogen side, this type of nucleophile is called ambident nucleophile. Similarly, in case of NO2, this is also contain the two nucleophilic center, one is O negative and second one is nitrogen. This can be connected with oxygen side or nitrogen side, so two side, so this is also ambident nucleophile. This is the cause we get the reaction with KCN, we get RCN, whereas in AgCN we get RNC. In RCN, the Cn negative connected with carbon, whereas in RNC isocyanide the R connected with nitrogen side. Similarly, in case of KNO2 and AgNO2, in case of KNO2 the NO2 combined with the oxygen side, whereas in AgNO2 the NO2 group combined with nitrogen side, so we get different product. One is alkyl nitride and second one is nitroalkane. This is all complete nucleophilic substitution reaction. If you know the nucleophile of reagent, you can easily carry out the complete the reaction. थैंक यू वेरी मच. इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है.